Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about create index statement in SQL. The create index statement is used to create indexes in tables. Indexes are used to retrieve data from the databases more quickly than any other process. The user cannot see the indexes. They are used to just speed up the queries. So it means people are using indexing because to retrieve the data in a faster way. Suppose you are working with 100 millions of data, and you know it will take more than 10 to 20 minutes to fetch all the data. So for this, what people are doing, people declare the indexing for a specific column. Because why they are declaring a specific column which is used most or which is searched most? What's the reason why they cannot declare all the columns as a indexing? Okay. So I will tell you one secret, that updating a table with indexes takes more time than updating a table without indexes. Because the indexes also need an update, so only create indexes on columns that will be frequently searched against. So it means while you are trying to updating data with the index, it will take more time, because index itself takes time to update himself. So I will show you how you can declare indexing by using the create statement. You can see here our employee table is present, and the columns inside the tables, columns are available: employee ID, last name, first name and age. So what I will do, I will declare last name and first name as a index column. For this you have to write index, then index name. So I will write IDX unique. You know, unique means it will not take any kind of duplicate values. So if you want to know more about unique constraint in SQL, I will give you a link in the I button. Just follow this link. Okay, on table name, so here our table name is employee, and column name first name, and we will declare last name. Okay, just run the query. Now see the table structure. You will find that index has been declared, and name is index UNI, and column is first name and last name. It means first name and last name is indexing here. I will show you how you can drop an index, because if you able to add an index in a specific column, so you should able to drop this index whenever you require. Okay, so for this you have to write down alter table function or alter table query. So this is alter table, table name is our employee, and drop index name, what I have given, IDX underscore UNI. So I will drop. Now I will show you the structure of this table. You will find that there is no indexes available, no index defined. Hope you enjoy this video. That's it. If you are new into my channel, make sure you have subscribed, and if you like this video, please press the like button. Also share with your friends, colleagues, so that they can also learn SQL. Thanks for watching.